Welcome back to the RV Rundown. I'm your host Barry, and today we're on the Southern RV sales lot checking out the Venture Stratus SR281VBH. This bunkhouse floor plan is corner bunk, corner bath. It can sleep a whole family with ease, and these red sidewalls are awesome. They garner a lot of attention everywhere we go. Outside, we have this great outside kitchen with a 2-burner stove, a fridge, and a sink. All that slides in and away when you're traveling down the road. Let's head up these solid steps and check out the inside. All right, as I was saying outside, this is corner bunk, corner bath. So in the back of the camper, we have 2 big full-size bunks. These could potentially sleep 2. They absolutely sleep 1 very comfortably. They've got a built-in ladder getting up to the top. There's USB ports and a little storage up there so people can charge their phones of the evening. The bathroom straight across from it is a full bathroom. We've got a foot flush toilet, our shower, as well as a little sink with some storage and a medicine cabinet. Back by the entryway, when we first popped up through the door, we passed this utility closet slash pantry. It's great. It's got a couple of coat hooks in there. It's nice and deep, so you can get upright brooms, vacuum cleaners, and things of that nature, as well as store all of your dry goods, pots, pans, whatever else. More storage to my left, and then we step into what would be considered the living space. We have a trifold sofa. This is going to sleep 2 when it pulls out, and that is directly across from our entertainment center. We have a Connex flat screen TV up top with a head unit below for running our stereo systems. There's some storage, and then down beneath that is our electric fireplace. That is a heater. It's going to put off plenty of heat in the winter and absolutely help out with that propane furnace. So, stepping into the kitchen, Furrion 12-volt refrigerator and freezer. Very nice. 3-burner stovetop with a glass cover. That's going to provide some extra prep space. Oven down below, microwave up top. I really like that they have this live edge style counter. I think that's pretty cool. And they provided us with some sink covers as well to go over this big single basin stainless steel sink. Venture likes to do some fancy things. They give us a cutting board as well with this unit. As we step past the kitchen and into the bedroom, we go past our dinette. This can also be let down to be yet another bed. The bedroom has plenty of walk-around space. We have a nice decent sized bed with storage all the way around it. And then this unit has 2 air conditioners on board. Is 50 amp service. One of them is right here in the bedroom, so it stays plenty cold. And we've got TV hookups on this back wall. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick tour of the Stratus. If you want to see more, visit us online at southernrv.com, or hey, come see us in person, 324 Industrial Boulevard in McDonough, Georgia, right off I-75. Until next time, happy RVing.